everybody. So today we'll continue our topic preposition. So first we have for. For indicates period of time in perfect and perfect continuous tense. In tenses you have read the use of for and since. Okay. Extent of time. For example, I'm going abroad for a month. I'm going abroad for a month. First of all, these two prepositions indicate time. Alright, but for indicates period of time. A month is a time period. I have been learning driving for a month. Yeah, for, we can also write for 2 months. Alright, I have been learning driving for 2 months. Next we have since. Since indicates point of time in perfect and perfect continuous. For example, they have been working hard since Monday. Now tell me, what is the difference between point of time and period of time? Point of time tells the accurate time, like since evening, since Wednesday, since Sunday, since 1997, since February. But period of time indicates a time period, like for 2 months, for 5 months, for 6 months. Next we have, she has been reading since 2009. She has been reading since 2009. 2009 is accurate point. Is it clear? Next we have of. Of indicates connection or relation or conclusion or cause. Now look, the legs of the chair. Kiski legs? The legs of the chair. This is telling the relation. Please give me a piece of paper. Now look at this. He died of cancer. Now in this line, this is telling about the cause. Last we have in front of. A position that is further forward than somebody or something. In Hindi we can say किसी चीज़ के सामने, accurate सामने. Like behind, what is the meaning of behind? Behind means at the back of somebody or something. And behind, opposite is in front of. Like there is a tree in front of my house. You are standing in front of me. तुम मेरे सामने खड़े हो. You are standing in front of me. Now tell me, what is in front of you? Your phone, my video is in front of you means तुम्हारे सामने वो है. I hope you have understood the concept of preposition. This is your task. You have to do it. You can do it easily. Fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition given in the brackets. Don't lean, dash the wall. Your options are on, against, over. You have to do it. There is a bridge, dash the river. On, across, at. You can do it easily, students. Alright. Look at the work.